Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to set up new user account on Mac operating system. It's very simple. Look at this here in the screen, like here Sangram, and you can create here new user account. So how to do it? Let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply open here your system preferences, and here user and group setting is there. You just simply click here, and this is my admin. So first of all, add here your password. Now I unlock this authentication. So now we can create here, like my current user is admin of Sangram and guest user is available, other user, but I am not using this one. But I want create one more user like this one, and suppose I create this user and someone family member are using my Mac, so I can delegate this user ID for everyone log in this particular user ID and they can work very easily. Just simply I add here Singh new user ID and then full name of computer and like account name is Singh and then password. I'm adding here password also if you needed to add or not. Create user, and it's very simple to create username user on this particular Mac operating system. You can create like this, and you want delete this user, you just simply select this one and the minus sign is there. You click there and just save the data folder, delete to the home folder, delete change, save some data, so you can select this one. Otherwise I delete everything, so I delete the user of Singh. You can create such kind of user and give the permission of other family member or other colleagues, and they are working on the specific user, not interfere the administrator. It's quite simple to create. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram, same Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.